Hi, Oleg is here from OpenBOM, and I am going to show you how to start using OpenBOM with Solidworks. So I have a simple assembly and Solidworks plugin installed. And I'm starting by configuring how I would like to extract information from Solidworks by going to settings. The one thing that we have now is BOM templates. So templates define how to extract properties from Solidworks. I will create a new template and decide what properties to extract from Solidworks. So let's take supplier, let's take part number, and let's take saved by. So those are properties, and we can also configure in what order they will come in the BOM. So we do have the plugin, configure it with the properties, and now we decide that we would like to extract part list. So far we are good, and we can save it and click on create and update bill of materials. So while data is extracted, OpenBOM extract information from Solidworks files, preview images, data from attributes, and send it to OpenBOM. So within minutes you will get bill of materials online that you can edit and share with your suppliers, contractors, production planners, and everyone else in your organization. So we are done, and we can click on this link, and here you are. We get bill of materials with all properties as we configure it. There are 4 properties: file name, thumbnail, quantity, and type, that always come in with OpenBOM. And then we decided to retrieve part numbers, saved by, and supplier. Here's the thing, we are going to change the supplier. So let's put it ABC supplier for upper plate. And now we can go back to Solidworks and update CAD properties. So what happens now is that data is retrieved from OpenBOM and yes, saved inside of Solidworks properties. So if I'm taking this plate and I would like to take a look what is in this plate, custom properties, and here you are, ABC supplier. Thank you for watching the video, and that was Oleg with OpenBOM.